With these puzzles, the key is that you're going to probably need to read through the clues once and then again, and then maybe even a third time. Okay? But honestly, you basically don't have to read this each time. The story is pretty much the same each time. But let's read through it just for this first time so you can see. 3 pigs named Peggy, Paula, and Penrod weigh 386, 393, and 395 pounds. They all love to dance, and their favorite dances were the tango, waltz, and the foxtrot. The pigs had a contest to see who could dance their favorite dance the longest without stopping or rest. They danced for 772 minutes, 786 minutes, and 790 minutes. Based on the clues, match the pigs with their weights, their favorite dances, and the minutes they danced without stopping. Okay, so all the puzzles are like this. There's like 3 categories, whatever, right? Okay. If you doubled the weight of the heaviest pig, the answer would be the number of minutes the lightest pig danced the tango. Okay, so look. If you doubled the weight of the heaviest pig, so look, the heaviest pig is 395 pounds, right? That's the heaviest pig. It's 395 pounds. We don't know who that pig is yet, but we know that that's the heaviest pig. So let's double this and see what we get. We get 790, okay? The answer would be the number of minutes the lightest pig danced the tango. Okay, so we know that there's a pig that dances the tango for 790 minutes. Now, we don't know what pig that is yet, so we have to wait. Let's read the next clue. Oddly, if you doubled the number of the weight of the lightest pig, the answer would be the number of minutes the heaviest pig danced the waltz. Okay, so look, we're going to do, this is the lightest pig, right? Look, I got that number from here. Let's double it. So this is, okay, so that, look, it says that's the lightest. The answer would be the number of minutes the heaviest pig danced the waltz. So we know this is heaviest and waltz. Now, again, we don't know what pig that is yet, but we know that the heaviest pig dances the waltz for 772 minutes. Penrod weighed more than Paula, but less than Peggy. Okay, here we go. Look, here's their weights. Penrod weighs more than Paula, but less than Peggy. Okay, so we know that for the weights, Penrod weighs more than Paula. Look, I'm going to put Paula down beneath, but less than Peggy. So now we know Peggy must be the heaviest. So watch what I'm going to do. And whenever you circle one, if I know Peggy's going to be the heaviest, she's not going to be this one or this one. And also, if she's the heaviest, then Paula's not and Penrod's not. Penrod is the next, right? He can't be the lightest if he's this weight. And then Paula is the lightest. Okay, now, look, that information, now I can come back to the information I got from like the first and the second clue, right? So let's read this one again. I did the math already, but let's read clue number 2 again. Oddly, if you doubled the weight of the lightest pig, the answer would be the number of minutes the heaviest pig danced the waltz. Okay, so this is the heaviest pig. We know that she danced the waltz, and we know she danced it for 772 minutes. Okay, now watch what I'm doing, right? If she danced for 772, they can't. They can't dance the waltz either. Okay. Let's see. Okay, if you doubled the weight of the, look, notice I'm just going back to the clues over and over again. If you doubled the weight, right, and I have new information each time. If you doubled the weight of the heaviest pig, the answer would be the number of minutes the lightest pig danced the tango. Okay, so someone dances a tango for 790 minutes, right? Look, so it's either Paula or Penrod. Okay, let's see. The answer would be the number of minutes. Oh, look, it says the lightest pig. Oops, see, I missed that. I'm going back to it. It says the answer would be the number of minutes the lightest pig danced the tango. Okay, so we know the lightest pig, that's Paula, danced the tango, and we know she danced it for 790 minutes. right? And then I noticed like I missed something and I went back to it. Okay, but the key is each time I get new information, I just go through, and you really have to like try to record it. So if I circle something here, then I can cross off. I can also like cross things off. Like let's say there had been a clue that's like Paula is not the heaviest pig. Like then I could have just crossed this one off. Okay, so really try to record and write down everything that you read.